If you're looking for a charming and convenient day trip from Metro Manila, a visit to Antipolo, Rizal is a great idea. Let me show you how. Join me and let's go. In LexGo, my goal is to inspire others to create meaningful journeys for themselves. If you're new to LexGo, consider subscribing. And now, let's get it on with our Antipolo trip. Just a few meters away from the legendary falls is a beautiful and modern church. There are many restaurants in Antipolo that visitors should look forward to, and here is one of them. After lunch, we drove outside of the city of Antipolo to see the oldest known work of art in the Philippines. Driving down from Angono, don't miss to stop and enjoy the stunning view of Metro Manila across the largest lake in the Philippines. The province of Rizal is a place filled with many treasures, and I'm looking forward to visit and discover the other gems of the province. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to LexGo.